Yes, achieve the prime of our life. Good more earnings, everyone. Welcome once again to our weekly Zoom presentation about the product, the business, and of course, we have the question and answer later on, right? So, but before that, may I join everyone for a prayer? Let's pray. Heavenly Father, thank you for tonight. Thank you for another day that you have given us with the gift of life. Thank you for this opportunity of pride that we have in our hands, the opportunity to get well, and the opportunity to increase our income through the compensation plan of Pride Business. Lord, bless our Zoom connection right now and bless everyone who are attending this presentation, especially those first timers, that they may find the solutions to their health problems and of course solutions to their financial worries. Bless us, O Lord God, so that we may understand better this opportunity that we have in our hands right now. Lord, thank you, and we give you back all the glory. In Jesus' mighty name we pray. Amen. Right? So tonight is a blessing. Why? Because we're going to have an opportunity presentation. First, we're going to have to discuss the presentation about opportunity, about getting well, and of course, later on, opportunity to increase and improve our income. And the third part will be our question and answer with our beloved Dr. Alex Ibar. All right, so let's start. But before that, may I give you a disclaimer that our iTeracare device that we're going to present tonight is a certified household electrical equipment, and it is not a medical equipment. All right. So first, there is a secret to positively taking care of your body that no one is talking about. Do you like that? Do you like to know the secret, especially that we are now in the post-pandemic era, wherein most of our population is still recovering. So especially those who have infected by the virus, that they are still recovering. Kumbaga, paminsan-minsan, meron pa rin na after effect. And for those who have not inflicted with the virus, they want to maintain a healthy body, healthy mind. Well, this is the perfect secret that we're going to discuss to you this evening. All right, so let me start by saying to you that every cell in our body is a battery. All right, so it's a good news for everyone. Why? Because when we talk about battery, we talk about energy, right? The same thing with our cell phone, right? I believe that is the most important a device that we're having every day, that we're using every day. Sometimes they call it that we cannot live without this cell phone. And once our cell phone is low-bat already, that's the saddest point of our life in every day, right? Why? Because when the cell phone is already low, but some of its functionality is is not functioning anymore, right? Especially when it's red already, the battery. Sometimes you're having difficulty to connect with the internet, and some of the application is not working properly. So that's the time that you need to charge up your cell phone so that it will regain its functionality. Same thing goes with our body, right? So because of the stress that we're undergoing every day, of all the challenges, right, of all the pollutions, right? So our body is also being tagged as nalolobat, right? And when we come into that point, we feel sick and we feel weak, right? We just want to stay at home. And we cannot be productive anymore, right? The same thing pagka lobat yung battery, yung cellphone natin. So again, just like the battery, we just need to charge it up. So how? You just simply put it on to the outlet and it's gonna be charged up. But the question is, how about our body? How can we charge up our body? Right? So, good news. That is the secret that we're going to discuss tonight, because there's an opportunity, there's a solution for us to charge up our battery and able our body to reach again its full functionality, so that we may be energetic every day of our lives, right? And nakikita nyo na nga dyan sa ating sa inyong monitor, dun sa baba na frequencies gives energies, right? So yan ang isa sa pag-uusapan natin. What are those factors that gives energy to us? All right. So before that, I will give you a quote from Hippocrates. According to him, natural forces within us are the true healers of disease. Do you believe that? Yes. I believe some of you already experience when they feel weak, when they feel sad, they want to go to nature, right? You go to climb up the mountains, you go to the park, right? You want to inhale oxygen, pure oxygen without pollution, right? And when that moment happens to us, it gives a positive energy to us, right? We feel that we improve our thinking, we have released our stress, right? So we need to go to that natural places for us to receive the natural forces. Kaya lang, because of the busyness of life, we cannot do that, right? So we just ended up taking up vitamins, supplements, all right, for us to get well, right? But the good news is, one of the secrets that we're going to reveal tonight is about having the feeling of that natural forces, right? That we can use and utilize at the comfort of our home. Wow. It's quite exciting, right? And let me give you a background on how the life of people has been throughout the centuries. During the ancient time, people are born, and then they grow old, and then they eventually die, right? But in the modern generation, meron siyang nadagdag na isang state in our life. Ano yon? Well, of course, umpisa, they are born, they will grow old, and then, ito yung nadagdag, people get sick before they die. And mostly, the reason they die is because of their sickness and diseases and illnesses, right? It's not because of the natural way of dying because of old age, right? So, through centuries, that has been the problem. Most of the people are getting sick. Okay, so yan yung susolusyonan natin somehow, right? Especially for those first-timers who are having health challenges, especially yung matagal na talagang nagkakaroon ng maintenance medicine, right? So ito na yung kanilang parang merienda, yung a handful of different tablets and capsules for their medicine maintenance. All right, so we're going to discuss to you two concepts about our product. First of all is the concept of heat. This is according to Hippocrates, and he is our ancient father of medicine. And according to him, 25 centuries ago, listen very carefully, because this is a message of hope for all those having health challenges. According to him, if there's a way to heat the bones, then this is now the message of hope. All diseases can be treated. You heard it right. Kung meron po kayong sakit sa oras na ito, right, and you are looking for hope, then this declaration can give you the wellness that you are looking for. Because according to him, all diseases, not selective, but all diseases can be treated. The big question is, how? If there's a way to heat the bones. So yan yung isa sa pag-uusapan natin, okay? So another concept about our product is about frequency. Okay, this one comes from Albert Einstein, and he is one of the well-known scientists that ever lived. According to him, the future medicine will be the medicine of frequencies. The question is, kailan ba yung future na yan? And I believe it is right now in our current generation, right? So according to him, the medicine will be the medicine of frequencies, because throughout the centuries, right, decades, right, so paano ba natin sinusolusyonan ang ating mga health challenges? And I believe pagka mga minor no, mga health challenges lang, yan, pwede yan makuha sa mga relaxation through massage, yung iba taking mga supplements, right? And diet, exercise, hangga't kakayanin, di ba? Pero kapag ka talagang seryoso na yung mga health challenges, hindi na po pwede yung mga basic, yung mga alternative ways na ganyan. Kailangan talaga is the radical approach, which is the intake of synthetic medicine. Right? It's either oral mo iti-take or pagka talagang malala na yung sitwasyon, IV na yan, diretso na yan. Alright? So, katulad nung nangyari doon sa aking anak the other day, di ba, na nagkaroon siya ng allergy. So, nung isinugod namin siya sa emergency, hindi po pwede yung basta lang oral intake. So, kailangan injection diretso, yung IV na tinatawag para instantly maka-recover doon sa attack of allergy. Alright? So same thing, ganun din natin minamanage yung ating mga sakit throughout generations already. And now we're going to discuss a modern approach to our wellness. Are you excited about that? Okay, so ang pagkagalingan lang natin yung dalawang concept na na-mention natin. First is according kay Hippocrates about the concept of heat. And secondly, according to Albert Einstein, about the concept of frequency. Okay, it's about heat and frequency. At yan ang meron sa ating produkto na ay TerraCare, because this is a revolutionary product that is designed to generate positive results to our body. Do you like that? Yes. It is called Lightwave Therapy Device. As you can see here, we have 3 different types of product. First is the classic device. Ito yung unang-una, kaya siya tinawag na classic, right? So this is very, very portable, and it's good for first aid. Diba? Na-mention ko nga sa inyo kanina, yung about my youngest daughter na inatake ng allergy. Good thing, meron kaming blower sa bahay. Why? Naging first aid namin siya. Alam nyo ba ang nangyari? While we are about to eat our dinner, nag-collapse yung aking anak. Bigla lang siyang nag-pass out talaga. Bumagsak talaga siyang gano'n. And then, syempre, automatic na inano namin, syempre, no? Dugong ay TerraCare na. So, automatic, right? So, kinuha namin yung blower namin, binlower namin yung likod niya. Alright? And after few minutes, right, na naka-recover agad yung consciousness niya, and makikita mo talaga na puti na yung labi niya, na talagang may dumaloy pa ba na dugo. Well, after few minutes lang, no, continuous, sandali lang na pagbablower doon sa sa likod niya, yun, medyo nag-pinkish na ulit yung kanyang lips. So ibig sabihin there's a blood already flowing. Pinagpawisan na rin siya. So parang sasabihin natin, okay na siya. But of course, dahil sa nag-collapse siya, so kailangan pa rin namin siyang isugod sa emergency, right? Pero ang point ko lang, good thing na lang sa mga ganong critical moment sa bahay, hindi naman maiiwasan yan, di ba? May mga emergency cases, let's say may mga injury, number 1 talaga na first aid device natin, itong iTerraCare therapy device. Yan. And secondly, on the middle part is the premium device. This is the upgraded version. Why? Because this is much more lighter, mas magaan, quieter, mas tahimik, mas compact. So, pwede mo siyang dalhin even in your backpack. Kahit magta-travel ka, pwede siyang i-check-in, hindi siya i-hold ng immigration or ng ano, doon sa airport, right? You can bring it inside the airplane, okay? And of course, the last one is the Pro device. This is high grade. This is heavy duty. It is being used in the hospital and in different clinical centers around the world. And even if you're going to use it for long time, hindi siya mag-overheat. Basta-basta. All right? So, ano nga bang nagagawa nitong blower na ito sa ating katawan? Bakit yung na-experience namin na emergency several days ago, bakit ba na-revive yung consciousness ng aking anak na kahit na nag-collapse na siya? Okay, what does iTeracare do to our body? First of all, it improves blood flow. 'Di ba na-mention ko na naputi na yung labi niya, ibig sabihin wala nang dumadaloy na dugo in that part of her body. Pero nung na-blower namin talaga sa likod, it improves blood flow. Yun. So dumaloy na ulit, pinagpawisan na ulit, 'di ba? Nung una talaga ang lamig, right? So ganoon na nagagawa niya, it improves blood flow. Kaya maganda po ito sa mga na-stroke. So yung mga na-stroke na kakilala natin, 'di ba? Na kahit sabihin mo 5 years, 10 years na na-stroke, but still they cannot walk. And worse pa, yung kanilang face is affected. Tabingi nga po yung mga face nila. Why? Because there's no enough blood flowing into the veins na naapektuhan. So this time around, sabi ko nga sa inyo, this is a message of hope for everyone. Right? Pag gumamit po kayo ng blower, isa sa magagawa ng blower natin is improve the blood flow. Dadaloy po ulit ang dugo sa mga veins na hindi pa nadadaluyan ng dugo. Kaya nagkukos pa rin. Kung ano yung epekto ng stroke 5 years ago, yun pa rin ang epekto sa ngayon. Because nothing is happening. But now, you can expect an improvement in your health. Especially yung mga na-stroke nga po. And what else? It renews body cells. Yan ang gusto natin dahil we are exposed to stress every day. Right? Kahit nga po hindi tayo umalis ng bahay, sa loob lang mismo ng bahay, we are stressed. Di ba? So, ibig sabihin, yan na yung part ng ating lifestyle. Right? So, ang ano ba ang epekto ng stress sa ating katawan? Alam nyo, na-realize ko, kailan ba? Kanina lang o kahapon, na ang stress pala, lalo na pagka yung different level na yung stress, subconsciously, iba ang epekto sa katawan ng tao. Diba? Talaga namang nagmamanifest siya physically. Akala lang natin, yan, emotions lang. Diba? Ang epekto ng stress. No, it is physiology. Meron talaga siyang matinding epekto sa atin, sa katawan natin. So, unti-unti, mga namamatay yung mga cells natin. Pagka hindi natin na-manage yung stress natin. And good news, pagka tayo gumamit nitong blower na ito, it will renew our body cells. At yun ang kailangan natin, yung mga namamatay na cells, na epekto ng stress, kailangan maibalik natin. It needs to be renewed, right? Every day. So ito na yung paraan natin para ma-renew yung mga body cells natin. Because terahertz can produce thermal effects that can raise the temperature, allowing better circulation. And not just an ordinary blood circulation, but it is called micro circulation, even up to the level of the cell. Yun ang importante sa panahon natin ngayon. Doon sa sulok-sulukan na parte ng katawan natin, kailangan nakakakuha din ng oxygen yung mga cells na yan para talaga naman ma-maximize natin ang ating energy every day. Okay, so with good circulation, energy o oxygen is pumped properly to the blood. Yan ang kailangan natin. So yung mga hindi mahilig mag-exercise, meron na kayong excuse excuse, di ba? Para mag-pump up ang blood into our body. Mag-blower ka na lang ng mag-blower. At ang epekto yan para ka rin nag-exercise. But of course, you cannot discount the actual exercise. So, kailangan pa din. Okay? At least meron ka na lang, meron kang part solution to this. Okay? And of course, there is a one thing effect of the iTeracare. This is about resonance, right? So, what does it mean? The good cells, but dormant cells. Ibig sabihin, good, yung buhay pa siya. Okay, kaya lang dormant. Medyo inaantok, medyo tinatamad na mga cells are being activated every time na magbo-blower ka. Kung saan mo man itapat yung nozzle ng blower na yan, lahat yan magre-resonate, lahat yan magbabibrate, lahat yan magsa-charge up. Right? At para ma-rejuvenate natin yung strength natin, ma-renew yung mga body cells natin. Kumbaga, para talaga tayong isang cellphone na fully charged, 100%. Diba? That we really can achieve full functionality of our body. Maganda ang takbo ng isip natin, ang daming mga pumapasok na ideas, right? And we are charged up kahit na gabi na, we still have the energy. Yan ang gusto natin na lifestyle everyday, full of energy. At magagawa natin yan kapag ka naging lifestyle din natin ang mag-blower ng ating katawan. Yan ang maging natin. Yan ang ating makasanayan everyday. And it's gonna be a healthy lifestyle. Yan yung natural forces na sinasabi natin kanina na makukuha natin at the comfort of our home. Kahit nasa opisina ka, di ba, mas maganda yung premium ang gamitin mo pagka ikaw nasa opisina at gusto mong mag-blower. Diba? Para tahimik siya at hindi ka maka-istorbo. Diba? Habang na-stress ka, mag-isip ka ng mga project mo, mga new ideas mo, diba? Po, pwede naman yan. Right? So, nagpo-blower ka, nakatutok lang sa'yo yung blower. And, what else? Yung bad cells na hindi natin kailangan sa loob ng katawan natin. Na yun ang liability kung bakit tayo nagkakasakit, yung mga bad cells na yan na nasa loob ng katawan, right? They are gonna be eliminated out of our body system. In short, there is a means for us to be detoxified, right? At sa panahon natin ngayon, di ba, ang dami nating mga toxin na ipinapasok sa katawan natin because of our eating lifestyles. Okay lang sana kung good eating lifestyles. Pero I'm sure lahat tayo guilty dyan na ang mga kinakain natin is full of preservatives, mga instant na at hindi na mga healthy. And with that, lahat ng garbage coming from that not so healthy food, lahat yan nasa loob ng katawan natin. At yan nagkukos ng mga iba't ibang klase ng sakit na nararamdaman natin araw-araw, right? Because we are disturbed by pains, right? Every day. Minsan sa trabaho, di tayo makapag-focus kasi ang sakit ng katawan natin, masakit ang ulo natin, ang daming masakit. Di ba? At sabi nung iba, pati ang bulsa nila masakit. Di ba? Huwag po kayong mag-alala. Mamaya, pagagalingin din po natin yan sa second part ng ating presentation. Okay, ano nga ba ang meron sa iTeracare? Bakit siya napakagandang produkto? Okay, because we have 3-in-1 core technology. First is the quantum, which generates the scalar energy. At alam ko yung iba sa inyo, familiar na rin itong quantum na ito because a decade ago, lumabas na rin yung ganyang technology. Diba? Na basta nasa katawan mo yan, yung nagbibigay ng scalar energy, mag-i-increase yung iyong energy. Okay? And it produces healing energy. Okay? And what else? We have the optical quartz, which amplifies the frequency generated by the device. And of course, the terahertz, which is ito yung mga pinag-usapan natin kanina na sabi ni Einstein, the future of medicine is about frequency, right? And ito pong produkto natin is generating frequency, which is terahertz. It resonates with our cells, thus ina-activate niya yung mga dormant cells natin and eliminating po yung mga bad mutating free radical cells na nagkukos ng sakit natin. Alright? So, gaano ba yan kasigurado? Well, of course, we undergone several years of research and development. We have the product design patented with us. Tayo lang po ang merong ganitong klase ng technology. Okay, and we are awarded ang Thrive International as the sole distributor of this iTeracare therapy device around the world. Yan, palakpakan naman po natin, di ba? So wala pong ibang makakapagbenta ng ganyang klase ng produkto. Not just the product, but the technology. But it's us, the Thrive International, right? So we have quality inspection report, we have accuracy test report, kompleto po tayo, including the radiation test report, and the clinical test report are issued by Beijing Institute of Science. Okay? So ganyan kataas yung level of excellence ng paggawa ng ating produkto. Okay? So again, dahil nga po sabi natin it is a kind of frequency, so we need to be assured that it is free of radiation. So makikita natin dyan sa test na yan. Right? So, nung inilagay doon sa induction cooker, ang taas ng radiation. At yan po induction cooker, ganyan po ang ginagamit ng mga cooker sa condominiums. Right? So, ang taas pala niyan. Kahit di pa pala kayo gumagamit ng mga microwave oven, pag turn on nyo pa lang ng induction cooker, may radiation na pala. No wonder, di ba yung radiation niyan dumidiretso sa niluluto natin. So, nakita nyo naman dyan, ito pang pro ang ginamit, but it reflect doon sa tester na zero yung radiation. And aside dyan sa visual na test na ganyan, we are backed up with the different reports proving that we are safe and has zero radiation. Right? So I'm going to show you some testimonies, amazing results of our product. First is this rheumatism arthritis, which is yan po ang kadalasan na reklamo o dinadaing ng ating mga parents, grandparents, lalo na pagka nag-more than 50 years old na, hindi maiiwasan na talaga namang atakihin ng rayuma. Okay, but of course, iTeracare can help restore circulation and movement of muscles and tissues. Okay, why? Because terahertz frequency relaxes the nerves, the tissues, and the muscles together with the scalar energy. Kaya kahit na sandali ka pa lang nakakapag-blow, meron ka na agad na i-experience. Pagka na-feel mo yung heat, wow, it's so relaxing. Kaya pag continuous mo pa yan na gagamitin, definitely, malaki ang maitutulong sa pagtanggal ng iyong mga sakit-sakit na yan. Alright? So what else? Next is this thyroid nodules and frozen shoulder. Nakita nyo naman dito sa picture, di ba? Ang laki ng thyroid dyan sa neck niya. But it became smaller after 10 therapies. So, tsatsagain nyo po talaga. Right? Hindi po ito makukuha sa isa o sa dalawa lang na blowing. Okay? Meron kayo ma-experience na improvement but hindi pa talaga yung totally na makukuha nyo yung desired result. Kailangan tuloy-tuloy. Especially, meron pong pagkakaiba tayo sa ating metabolism. Yung iba po, mabilis ang epekto. Yung iba naman po, matagal ang epekto. So, depende po sa mga gagamit. Okay? Hindi po pare-parehas. Right? And another thing, this American, si Mike is a diabetic and has a heart problem. He cannot raise his left hand without the pain. But after 15 minutes, ang bilis. Bilis siguro yung metabolism ni Mike. Right? He was able to lift his hands 80% higher. Wow! That is a big improvement already. 80% in a matter of 15 minutes. Right? Kung tutusin, mabagal na yung metabolism ni Mike because he looks old already but mabilis ang naging epekto sa kanya ng blower. Right? So next is this one. Wow! This is good news to all of you. Right? What is this? This is about losing weight. Wow, ito yung pinaka gusto siguro ng karamihan dito, especially mga ladies, right? Why? Because iTeracare helps remove toxins and excess fats and water retention. So siguro yung iba, di ba yung mga bulges dyan sa inyong tummy, baka mamaya water retention lang yan. Dahil mainit yung ating produkto because of the terahertz and the heat itself, baka mamaya water lang yan, di ba? Na na-stock up dyan, ayaw lumabas sa katawan. So, syempre, dahil sa init, mag-evaporate yan, lalabas yan ng sistema natin. And eventually, ganyan yung nangyari dito sa nakikita yung picture sa inyong monitor na nag-improve. Okay? Hindi yung improve na nagdagan yung weight. Na-improve na nabawasan yung inyong mga weight, di ba? And hindi lang yung weight. Grabe tong isa, yung sa this male. Grabe, protruding talaga yung kanyang tummy, di ba? Pero after 20 days of therapy, ayan. So baka mamaya mga stock toxin lang yan, di ba? So nung talagang binoblower na everyday yung kanyang stomach, baka naglabasan yung mga naka-stock up dyan ng mga food ng mga 5 years ago pa na naka-stock, lumabas agad. Diba? Kasi bumilis, nag-improve yung metabolism niya, pati yung digestion niya. Ayan, naka-improve ang kanyang, ang size ng kanyang tummy. Alright? And it's also good for improving your skin. Right? Yung may mga dark spots, yung mga may blemishes. So, just continue to blow. At syempre, gustong-gusto yan ng mga dual citizen. Ano yan? Yung mga senior citizen na, wow, may pag-asa pa po. Kahit hindi kayo makapagpunta sa mga facial clinic na talagang napakamamahal naman ng mga charges nila, meron na kayong pag-asa na mawala o mabawasan man lang yung mga wrinkles na nandyan, di ba? At tatawagin namin kayong beautiful lola, di ba? Kahit lola na, di ba? Pwede pang mag-improve ang skin, mag-glow ang skin. Sasagain nyo lang pong i-blower yan every day, okay? Pagkatapos nyong maligo, i-blower nyo. Blower nyo yung hair nyo, at the same time, isama nyo yung face nyo, pati yung neck nyo. Ang pag-blower nyo po niyan, paakyat. Okay? Kasi ang natural tendency ng skin natin is magsag pababa. So, ang kailangan ng blower, paakyat. Diba? Para mag-firm up ang mga cells natin sa face natin. And not just skin blemishes, but as you can see here, terrible skin diseases, right? Example na dyan is yung psoriasis, right? Na talaga namang ito yata ang forever, di ba? Kasi gagaling, babalik, gagaling, babalik. Naku, mauubos lang ang budget mo, especially yung mga topical ointment na ilalagay mo dyan, paulit-ulit yan. At yung iba dyan, di ba, alam nyo naman, meron pang steroids, right, na nagko-cause ng immunity, na kahit na ano nang ilagay mo, wala, na i-immune na siya. Okay, so good news, kahit dyan sa mga may problems sa scalp nila, just continue to blow it every day. So you can experience improvement, days, weeks, or even months. Again, it all depends upon our metabolism. Okay, so this is very important. This is the blowing guide. So this is what we call the basic protocol. When you say basic, it should be done. Okay, so kumbaga po if you're going to play a game, itong basic protocol, ito yung tinatawag nating warm up. Right? Kasi hindi ka naman pwede diretso to play the game. You're gonna be prone to injury. So same thing here. Baka naman sa sobrang excited nyo, nakabili na kayo ng blower, bigla kayo nag-blower dire-diretso, diba? For a long time. Wag naman po. Kailangan basic muna tayo. What is the basic? You need to drink 2 glasses of warm water. Why warm water? Because you will undergo your body into heat. Which is hindi naman tayong sanay na pinapainitan ng katawan natin, di ba? Ang sanay lang tayo, umiinit ang ulo natin, di ba? Pero hindi yung init ng katawan. So, kailangan makondisyon muna. We need to drink warm water. Okay? And then, you're going to blow it in your palm. Why in the palm? Because of the concept of reflexology and acupuncture. Right? There are nerves. There are lots of nerves there in our palm that is connected to different parts of the organ in our body. Same thing goes with the sole of our feet. Okay, maraming mga nerve endings dyan na connected sa different organs of our body. And thirdly, you need to blow around the knee, sa groin area, especially mga gentlemen, lalo na kung ang edad nyo is nasa 50 years old na. Wow, be aware the attack of the prostate cancer. Okay, yan po ang sabi ng mga urologist. Kung po pwede po, magpa-check up kayo. Right? Kasi pag 50 years old na, dyan na raw nagsisimula. Okay? So, go and visit your urologist. Diba? Pero for the meantime, na hindi ka pa makakapagpa-check up, you better blow the groin area. Okay? Nandiyan ang pinaka-precious part of our being. Okay? And of course, sa mga kababaihan naman, diba? Diyan naman po, focus nyo yung blowing nyo dyan sa armpit. Why? Because there is a nerve ending there connected to your breast. And kung sa mga lalaki, we are prone to prostate cancer. Sa inyo naman, you are prone to breast cancer. Right? So, kailan ba yung news na yan? A 14-year-old teenager namatay because of breast cancer. Imagine nyo, 14 years old. Right? So, blower nyo rin yan sa lymph nyo, sa upper back, sa head nyo. Okay, all around the parts of the head, blower nyo. Pero kung high blood kayo, huwag nyo pong i-blow ang crown or yung top of your head. Okay, kasi mas lalong tataas ang inyong BP. Okay, so you need also to blow your butt because to prevent yung colorectal cancer. And of course, blow the back, yung likod nyo, yung spine nyo. And then after that, you drink 2 glasses of warm water. Diba? Kasi syempre, mainit yung naging proseso natin sa katawan natin. So nawala yung mga fluids natin. So kailangan na ibalik natin para hindi tayo ma-dehydrate. Okay? Again, yan pa lang yung warm up. So after that, kung i-compute nyo, 3 minutes per part. Times 10 itong points na ito, acupuncture points. So, that's 3 minutes times 10. That's 30 minutes. So, after that, ma-observe nyo yung inyong blower, yung nozzle, especially yung classic, mainit na siya. Okay? So, ang gawin nyo po, ipahinga nyo po muna siya. Pagkatapos ng basic protocol, ipahinga nyo muna yung inyong blower for at least 5 minutes. Okay? Pero wag nyo namang hintayin na lumamig kasi matagal po yan lalamig. Okay? So at least maipahinga nyo ng 5 to 10 minutes and then you will proceed now to therapy. Doon pa lang po kayo makakapagsimula ng therapy. Ano naman ibig sabihin yan? Kung saan yung part ng katawan nyo na masakit, dyan nyo po itututok. Take note, itututok yung blower doon sa part ng katawan nyo na masakit for at least 15 minutes. Pero kung medyo sensitive yung part nung katawan nyo, let's say, namamaga, so kahit mga 10 minutes lang po muna. Okay, baka po kasi mabigla. Okay, the following day na po kayo ulit mag-blower. Again, it all depends sa health concerns po natin. Pero kung wala naman po kayong health concern, pagkatapos ng basic protocol, just blow every part of your body from head to foot. And then, dagdagan nyo po yung pag-blower po sa likod. Kasi nandyan po talaga ang sikreto, ang pag-blower sa likod natin. Okay? So, meron po tayong mga exemption. Okay, anong exemption natin? Hindi pwede siyang gamitin sa mga pregnant women, sa mga merong menstruation, meron pong mga stent or mga implants, and sa mga open wounds, and then sa mga may damage na mga lens na sa mata, okay, you don't blow it directly. Alright, so I believe, right, you have learned something about the product and yung iba sa inyo nakagamit na, maganda yung naging epekto, and yung iba sa inyo gustong talagang subukan. Ako, wag na po kayo munang bumili ngayon kasi gabi na, bukas na lang po ng umaga. 'Di ba? Marami po tayong mga promo na pagpipilian. Diba? At syempre, itong gusto natin na may experience na solution to our health, hindi lang para sa sarili natin, right? So mag-isip na rin tayo 'di ba? Na alam ko marami tayong alam, kakilala na may mga health challenges. So you think of someone you love who can benefit from iTeracare because surely this product can really help, right, to solve your health concerns, right? Solve or improve in whatever way meron talagang magandang mangyayari. All right, so that ends our product presentation. But of course, we don't want you to leave. We want you to continue listening so that also you will be able to get the opportunity of earning naman. Okay? So I'm going to call in my beautiful wife to explain the compensation plan of the company.